Kachi, and Sid. We would like to present to you our invention, the Peaceful Pathway Kit, designed for families who have lost homes due to war.
This can include magnets, house parts, food and water, clothes, kitchen supplies, and hygiene products with devices and assembly instructions and a portable bed.
This kit includes 3 safety features: an alarm, a device to request emergency help, and a mini generator.
This is what the kit looks like when it's assembled properly. This kit will be sold to the military, and we will earn money through sponsorships and recruitment fees.
To bring this vision into reality, we are seeking an investment of $500,000. In return, we are offering 20% of the profits generated from the sales of this kit. Your support will allow us to scale this invention globally and save thousands of lives. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to share our invention and